Hi everyone, I am Sachin Sarve. Today we discuss the FET Wising numerical and solutions. We will see one or two numerical, how to solve using graphical method as well as the mathematical. In FET biases, FET biasing, FET or MOSFET is similar. In FET there is two types of FET or MOSFET, that is deflection type MOSFET and enhancement type MOSFET. First we will see the numerical based on the deflection type MOSFET. In deflection type MOSFET permits the similar analysis in DC domain like the JFET. The difference between in deflection type MOSFET that permits the operating point to positive values of VGS and level of ID that exceed the IDSS. So we can say that the analysis is same for JFET. Similarly, JFET deflection type MOSFET have the two types of biasing. One is the fixed bias and another one is the voltage divider bias. So we'll take first numerical. For the N channel deflection type MOSFET, there is also the two types of channel. Two channel we can use, N channel and P channel. So here numerical is N channel deflection type MOSFET. So the figure is given. Determine IDQ and VGSQ and VDS. So this is the numerical of voltage divider biasing. In deflection type MOSFET, drain current is 1.8 kilo ohm, R1 is 110 mega ohm, R2 is 10 mega ohm, RS is 750, C1 C2 that is the coupling capacitor, VDD is given 18 volt and IDSS 6 milliampere and VP that is the pinch off voltage equals to -3 volt. As we know that the deflection type MOSFET is already conducting MOSFET. It conducts at the time of fabrication and we require the pinch off voltage to control the conduction. So pinch off voltage is necessary. So we will see the graphical method. For the transfer characteristics, so we have to plot the point defined by ID. Drain current equals to IDSS that is greater than 4 equals to 6 milliampere that is given. Then we have to consider the again that is greater than 4 equals to 1.5 milliampere, and VGS according to we have to consider VP is greater than 2, pinch off voltage is 2, -3 volt to 2 means we have to choose the values between the -3 to 2 volt or between the in that particular range. They consider the level of VP and the fact that the Shockley's equation defines a curves that rise the more rapidly as VGS become more positive. We have to plot the point that is defined VGS is +1 volt. So what is Shockley's equation? Shockley's equation is drain current equals to IDSS into 1 minus VGS by VP whole square. So we have to put the value IDSS equals to 6 milliampere into 1 minus VGS that is 1 volt we consider. We have to choose the value between the VGS between the pinch off voltage, and so we will choose the value VGS is +1 volt, then pinch off voltage is fixed that is -3 volt. So we are getting the value of ID drain current is 10.67 milliampere at the VGS 1 volt. Similarly, you can choose the different VGS between that range and calculate the value and plot the graph. So this graph is plotting between VGS value, that is we can take the value VGS between -3 to +2 volt. So we consider the value 1.5 volt VGS okay, that is between the 1.5 milliampere -1.5 volt VGS. Okay, now we calculate the VG. How to calculate the VG? We have to apply the formula, that is R2 into VDD by R2 plus R1, voltage divider rule. So after putting the value, we will get the value of VG. If you know the VG, if you calculate the VG, you can easily calculate the VGS. What is VGS? That is voltage between gate to source. It can be calculated by voltage at gate minus ID into RS. So actually that is RS into IS, but IS equals to ID. So we have to put IS instead, ID instead of IS. So 1.5 volt minus ID into 750 ohm. So using this you can calculate the different value of ID. We have to choose the VGS and you have to plot the graph. So here, if the pinch off voltage is -3, then drain current is 0. In this way you can calculate the value of -2. Similarly you will get the ID value. Then -1, that is we are getting the IDQ is 3.1 milliampere. Then 0 volt pinch off voltage is 0. Then IDSS is 6 milliampere. Then 1, then we are getting the value 10.66 something, that is the drain current. So using the scale you have to draw the graph between the VGS versus drain current, and here you can calculate the value of quiescent point. So we have to calculate the value of quiescent point at the particular VGS, that is 1.5 volt. So we are getting the two different value of Q point. One is VGSQ and another one is IDQ. So -0.8 volt and IDQ is 3.1 volt. Same numerical you can solve using the mathematical analysis. Just put the value, calculate the VGSQ and IDQ using this Shockley's equation, and using this VGS you can calculate the VGS value, means IDQ and VGSQ you will get the different value. So some explanation, setting the ID is 0 milliampere, that result in VGS equals to VG equals to 1.5 volt at drain current 0. Then VGS is 0 volt, that yields the drain current equals to VG by RS. Put the value of VG 1.5 volt and RS is 750 ohm. So drain current is 2 milliampere. So 2 milliampere. The plot the points of resulting bias line appears. The resulting operating point is given by IDQ 3.1 milliampere and 0.8 volt. Then calculate the value of VDS. You can apply the KVL and outer side. VDS equals to VDD minus ID into RD plus RS. So here also we similarly put the IS equals to ID. So we will get the value of VDD after putting all the values, substituting the values, we will get the value of VDS equals to 10.1 volt. Now we will take the second example of enhancement type MOSFET. In enhancement type MOSFET we require the threshold voltage to on the device. Here we applied the extra source to on the device. So first example we will take the feedback biasing arrangement. There is the two types of biasing in the enhancement type MOSFET, that is feedback biasing and voltage divider biasing. Voltage divider biasing is common deflection type MOSFET and enhancement type MOSFET. While in deflection type MOSFET there is the fixed bias arrangement and voltage divider arrangement, while in enhancement type MOSFET there is the feedback biasing arrangement and voltage divider arrangement. So here determine the IDQ and VDSQ for the enhancement type MOSFET of figure. The figure is given, the gate resistance RG is given 10 mega ohms, that is connected between the drain and gate, that is the feedback biasing arrangement. Then drain current is drain resistance is 2 kilo ohm, VDD is 12 volt. Then input and output side capacitance, that is coupling capacitance 1 microfarad both. Then internal parameter is given, ID on, that is 6 milliampere, VGS on, that is 8 volt, and VGS threshold voltage, that is 3 volt. Enhancement type devices start conducting at above 3 volt. So first we have to calculate the transfer power or plotting the transfer power. 2 points are defined immediately as shown. So we have to calculate the first value of K. So K can be calculated by ID on divided by VGS on minus VGS TH whole square. Put the value of ID on, that is given 6 milliampere, VGS on 8 volt minus 3 volt whole square. So you will get the value of K 0.24 into 10 raised to power minus 3 ampere per whole square. Using this value of K, we have to calculate the drain current equation. Here we could not use the Shockley's equation. Where is the another drain current equation, that is K into VGS on minus VTS threshold. VGS on minus VTS threshold. So that equation we explained in previous PPTs, or that is in detail at the time of explanation. So similar way you can plot the graph between the VGS and ID. Here we have to take the value of VGS. The VGS on, that is 8 volt, and VGS is 3 volt. So you have to show the start conducting and 3 volt up to 8 and onwards also. So VGS on, that is 8 volt, you will get the two value, ID on and VGS on. That is VGS on equals to 6 volt and ID equals to 2.60 milliampere. So we will calculate for VGS 6 volt between 3 to 8 volt, that is at the center of 6 volt. So on that time we will get the ID, drain current equation. So this is the another drain current equation, that is K into VGS on minus VTH whole square. Here we have to put the different value of VGS. Now we have to put the VGS is 10 volt, that is slightly greater than VGS TH. Then we will calculate the ID. So we are getting the two different ID, 2.16 milliampere, and here is the 11.26. Just we have to change the value of VGS. Okay, first we use the 6 volt, second we use the 10 volt. In this way you can take the different value between the value of threshold on and VGS TH. Then network bias, we can calculate the value of VGS using the KVL VDD minus IDRD. So VGS equals to VDD by 12 volt at the ID 0 milliampere. So we will get the value of ID equals to VDD by RD 12 volt by 2 kilo ohm equals to 6 milliampere when the VGS is 0 volt. Using this equation, the operating point IDQ is 2.75 milliampere and VGSQ 6.4 volt. So we have to calculate the center, VGSQ 6.4 volt. We have to connect the VDD to 6, ID is 6 milliampere, and whenever the point is connected, that point is the quiescent point. So this is the graphical method, and we can calculate them mathematically also. That is 6.4 volt and 2.75 milliampere IDQ. So you can use any one method to solve the numerical, graphical as well as the mathematical, whichever is you like or easier. Now second numerical, we take the voltage divider biasing arrangement. Here also we have to determine the IDQ, VGSQ, VDS. Enhancement type MOSFET is given, internal parameter is given. The internal parameter sometimes is not given, then we have to use the data sheet that is given in the question paper. Here the device is MOSFET is given 2N4351. So you have to choose the value of the data sheet, that is VGS TH equals to 5 volt, ID on equals to 3 milliampere, and VGS on equals to 10 volt. Drain resistance is 3 kilo ohm. Source resistance is 0.82 kilo ohm. R1 is 22 mega ohm, R2 is 18 mega ohm, and VDD is 40 volt. So simple numerical of voltage divider by C. Solution. Here first we have to calculate the gate voltage. So using the formulas, R2 into VDD by R1 plus R2. After putting the value, you will get the gate voltage is 18 volt. Then VGS. If you know the VG, then we can calculate the VGS. VG minus IDRS. That is nothing but the ISRS. We have to put ID instead of IS. So 18 volt minus ID into 0.82 kilo ohm. Here you can take the different value of VGS and calculate the ID, or ID and calculate the VGS. So ID equals to 0 milliampere, so VGS is 18 volt. When VGS is 0 volt, then you have to calculate the ID. So VGS equals to 18 volt minus ID into 0.82 kilo ohm. So you will get the value of ID 21.95 milliampere. So you have to plot the graph between ID versus VGS. You have to choose the different value. You have to show the VGS TH. Then you have to choose the value. Then we have to choose the quiescent point at the VG at 18 volt. That is connected to the current, that is 21.95 milliampere. Whenever this point made to the curve, so for this curve we have to choose the different value of VGS and calculate the ID, and we have to plot the VGS versus ID. So at that point that cut the graph, that is the load line, we can say that we will get the quiescent point. IDQ is 6.7 milliampere and VGSQ 12.5 volt. Now you can solve the another method. VGS TH is 5 volt, ID on equals to 3 milliampere with VGS on is 10 volt. So calculate the value of K. K equals to ID on by VGS on minus VGS TH whole square. So put the value, you will get the value of K, that is 0.12 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 ampere per whole square. Then ID is nothing but the K into VGS minus VGS TS whole square. So using this, which is plot on same graph, IDQ we have to calculate the 6.7 milliampere and VGSQ 12.5 volt. Then we have to calculate the VDS using the KVL on outer side loop. VDD minus ID into RS plus RD. Put the value, VDD is 40 volt minus ID 6.7 milliampere, RS plus RD, that is 0.82 kilo ohm plus 3.0 kilo ohm. So VDS is 14.4 volt. So in this way you can solve the any numerical. We will discuss both the types, fixed bias, voltage divider bias. In enhancement and deflection type MOSFET, let's see the another types of numerical. Here you can go by any one method, mathematically or graphical method. But while solving the graphical method, you have to draw the characteristics using the scale. So you will get the proper Q point. Otherwise, your answer may be wrong. So for better, you have to go the analytical or mathematical method. You will get the proper answer, or you can go by both the method and verify using the mathematical analysis. The another numerical, for the networks of figure, the level of VDQ and IDQ are specified. Determine the required value of RD, RS. What are the closest standard commercial values? So this is the design types of numerical. Here we have to calculate the resistance value RD, drain resistance, source resistance. Then internal parameter IDSS 6 milliampere is given and pinch of voltage is -3 volt is given. So you can say this is the numerical of JFET or deflection type MOSFET. As defined by equation, we have to calculate RD. How to calculate RD? That is VRD by IDQ. VRD to calculate VDD minus VDQ and IDQ. VDD is 20 volt, VDQ is 12 volt by IDQ is drain current is 2.5 milliampere. So value of RD is 3.2 kilo. Plotting the transfer curve in figure and drawing the horizontal line at ID 2.5 milliampere and VGSQ -1 volt. So here also we have to calculate the different value of VGS and ID using the equation, Shockley's equation. Then at the exact 2.5 milliampere and VGSQ 1 volt, we will get the quiescent point. Then RS, we have to calculate the RS, that is minus VGSQ, that is -1 volt, minus of -1 volt, and IDQ is 2.5 milliampere. So we will get the 0.4 kilo ohm resistance. The nearest standard commercial value of 3.2 kilo ohm, that is 3.3 kilo ohm, and RS is 0.4 kilo ohm, that is 0.39 kilo ohm, that is the standard resistance. Then next numerical for the voltage divider configuration, that is shown in the figure. If VD equals to 12 volt and VGSQ -2 volt, determine the value of RS. And this is also the numerical of deflection type MOSFET, voltage divider biasing, deflection type MOSFET. RD is 1.8 kilo ohm, RS is not given, we have to calculate the value of RS. VDD is 16 volt, R1 is 91 kilo ohm, R2 is 47 kilo ohm, and the output is showing that is 12 volt. The level of Vg determined, we have to calculate the value of Vg, that is R2 into VDD by R2 divided by R2 plus R1. So 47 kilo ohm into 16 volt divided by 47 kilo ohm plus 91 kilo ohm equals to, we will get the value of gate voltage 5.44 volt. Similarly, drain current also calculated, VDD minus VD by RD. So 16 volt VDD minus VD is 12 volt drain voltage, that is nothing but the output voltage also, that is given in the figure, by 1.8 kilo ohm, that is the RD. So we will get the value of 2.2 milliampere. Then if you know the Vg, we can calculate the VGS. VGS equals to Vg minus IDRS. So put the value of VGS is -2 volt, Vg is 5.44 and ID 2.2 milliampere and RS. So you will get the value of RS 3.35 kilo ohm. So nearest standard commercial value is 3.3 kilo ohm. So similarly, this is the another variation of numerical. Now we will take the next numerical. The level of VDS and ID are specified as VDS equals to 12 volt, VDD and ID equals to ID on for the network of figure, and determine the level of VDD and RD. Here we have to calculate the VDD. So VGS on is 6 volt, ID on is 4 milliampere, VGS TH is 3 volt. So this is the enhancement types of MOSFET. The value of RG is given 10 mega ohm, VDD and RD is not given, we have to calculate the value, and internal parameter is specified. So given ID, that is ID on is 4 milliampere, VGS equals to VGS on, that is 6 volt. So VDS is nothing but the VGS equals to half of the VDD, that is the standard. So VDS equals to 6 volt, 1 by half VDD, so VDD is 12 volt. So that is we calculated. Then RD, we will take the drop between the RD or VRD by ID. So what is VRD? That is VDD minus VDS by ID on. Then VDD minus VDS is nothing but the half VDD. So VDD minus half VDD equals to half VDD by ID on. So put the value, RD equals to 6 volt by 4 milliampere. So RD will get the 1.5 kilo ohm. So which is the standard commercial value. So in this way you can solve the any type of numerical. This is the standard numerical. This numerical is asked in the university papers. You can check the university paper that is available in our college website. So some question paper the simple data is changed, otherwise the numerical are similar. So in this way today's lectures we completed, or we taken the overview of the to solve the FET biasing numerical. Thank you student, your comments is always welcome. If you have to any doubt you can ask me personally. Thank you.